Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, The Financial Empire. Now, in this video, we're going to be discussing the method at which you can make money online in at least 5K every week or 10,000 every week regarding the platform you have subscribed to, guys. So, just make sure you watch this video to the very end, turn on the notification bell for more updates regarding how to make money online. So, let's hit it up. Are you ready? If you're ready, like, subscribe to this channel for more updates. So, let's go right now. Alright guys, now welcome to Fire VIP. Fire VIP is a platform that has in collaboration with Facebook to make and it helps Facebook boost their customers ad, and while you're boosting the ad, Fire VIP pays you a revenue, a advertising revenue, guys. So all you need to do is just put your phone number, you confirm your password, you put your password confirmation right here, you input your verification and you register. Now don't worry about the Fire VIP getting it. You need to do something very significant here. Just go in the description of this video below. The first link in the description of the video below. Just click on the first link in the description of this video below. That link will going to be taking you to this platform. Now basically you have to create the account before downloading the app on Play Store. So you need to download the app, but you need to create the account first. So create the account first as the first step. Then you download the app on Play Store. So I already have the app. Already have an account. So I'm gonna be showing you how to make money on this platform. So let's hit right into my account. Alright guys, welcome to my Fire VIP account right here, guys. So I currently have 411.77 naira in my balance. Don't feel disappointed. Let me show my withdrawal record. Okay, now this is my withdrawal record. Withdraw successfully. I withdrew 4,900 the first time. Withdraw 5,400 the first time. I withdrew 6,200 the last time. That's of recent, and this is with an investment of only 4,000 naira, guys. I only invested 4,000 naira and I made this massive withdrawals, guys. So don't be disappointed. I don't want to show my another account. I have two accounts on this platform that I'm making massive money with this. So all you need to do is very simple. You can see today's unarrived revenue, guys. So while you buy a machine now, you click on start now. So you're gonna click on start, and if you notice the running, you can see running right there. So while it's running, now ads are being watched. You can see in progress the accounting percentage ads are being watched right there, guys. So this is how you basically make money on this platform. Every day just click and run. But guys, you can get it for free. You can be doing it for free, but that advice you are buy a machine. You can rent ad machine so they're going to be generating higher income for you and you can be withdrawing less than a week in 2 days time, guys. So all you need to do to rent a machine is very simple. Just click on rent right here. So once you click on rent, you can see the ad machine of 15,000 naira, the one of 39,000 naira, and also 16,000 naira. Since they have given a discount right here, guys, so sometimes the discount is not there. So you grab the opportunity when the discount is here and rent this ad machine. Renting is very simple. All you need to do just click on go to rent. Okay, now B level R machine is gonna be called what are we depositing 15,600 and net click on rent now. Now we top up because our balance is not enough. So bank card transfer, which method when I input 15,600 right here. Okay, 15,600. Now I'm gonna click on bank transfer. So after clicking on bank transfer, you click on top up and it will take you to the website. I'm gonna be helping you top up easily. So give some time to load. Now, basically, when you have done that, you copy this account number, the bank name, the account name, make a transfer to this account of 15,600, and come and click. I have made a payment. Make sure you make the payment successfully first. I have made a payment. Once you make the payment, it automatically load and your account will be credited with 15,600. You can also do the coin recharging. Very simple. Asset is the TRC 20, that's USDT. Now I have generated address for you. Copy the address, go to your wallet, successfully deposit an amount, certain amount of USDT. Minimum recharge is 10 USDT, and you have credited your account with making an account to start making money. So you can see my balance is now 611.77 naira. Now, guys, I just rented for 4,000 naira ad machine on this platform, and I withdraw so much. I'm gonna be showing my bigger accounts that I've rented over 16,000 naira ad machine, and I've made massive returns, and I've also recovered my investment capital. So let's go. Something you should also take note of is there. Click on invite. Now this invite is very important, guys. So you can see this is how to understand the invite. Now add level A machine, you invite, get reward 400 naira for inviting someone to join this platform. Now once your invitee join this platform and deposit, let me get you a commission of a percent deposit, guys. Click on view details right here. So you can see I get 400 naira from this person. This is the commission I get from this person because of the referral he have deposited using my referral link, guys. So make sure you use the first link in the description video below and take it also to people, let them use the first link in the description video and deposit so that they can start making money on this platform. And the only thing you need to do to get this link is just click on invite friend. So you can see this link right here and you can see the copy the link, take it to whoever you want, your family and friends, give it to them, and then you start depositing, making money and depositing, guys. So the next step, go click on team right here, guys. So now the team is the amount of people that are under you, guys. So I already have 10 people under me in the first level team, that's a direct team, two people under me, the subordinate, seven people under me, the subordinate. I have made over 2,576.8 naira from the first people that are on me because they deposited and they have a claiming. So I've been getting a commission of their claims and of their deposits, guys. So this is massive, 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 guys. Various way to make money on this platform. Very, very, very easy. So basically, what you need to do, come here every day, right here, click on rent. So you click on when you click on rent, you start now, you run the ad machine completed, and that's all. Now the withdrawal process is also very easy. I'll show you how to withdraw on this platform. When you click on the withdraw, so you put the amount, let me say minimum withdrawal is 4k. So let's click on withdraw. You input your amount right here, 4k. So I already linked my bank account, so I just click on withdraw. So you can see right here an invoice has been stated for me, withdrawal amount, service fee has been deducted, the actual amount arrived in account, the name of the bank, everything stated for me here. I click on confirm and the withdrawal will be submitted immediately, guys. That's how to withdraw on this platform, very easy. Also on the coin withdrawal, click on TRC20, you put your address right here, you put enter your withdrawal amount, they will deduct the service fee and you click confirm withdrawal and it will be submitted, guys. So let me show you my other accounts that have been making bigger money on this platform. Alright, guys, now welcome to my other account right here. I have 2,551 naira and I withdrawn just yesterday. I withdraw yesterday. You can see I withdraw 6,700, 9,600, 7,200, 5,400, and 6,600. Guys, I also withdraw a coin right here. The last withdrawal was on coin, rolled out successfully, guys. This is not really massive, but at least with the leading investment you are making, you're gonna be getting massive, massive income on these, guys. Now the withdrawal everything is the same thing, guys. So use the link in this video below to make money on this platform. Topping up and the withdrawal I've explained. To rent, make sure you come every day to rent an ad machine to get more income, guys. So I bought two ad machine right here. You can see completed for today. So basically I'm running this thing seriously because it's making money for me when I sleep. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel, guys. Basically I have to show you something else, the NFC right here. Now let me explain the NFC, but I'll do that in the other accounts for you to understand better. So over here, click on mine. So you can see the NFC 24,455.91 to be released, and the sellable NFC is 92.83. So you click on sell to platform, click on confirm, then look at just monitor my balance 6,011 naira. I will set to platform. I will sell right here, guys. So you can see now I have 704 naira, guys. So this is how it works. It's another way at which you make money right here, guys. Every day you come and sell your NFC to top up your balance and you make money, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the subscribe bell, make sure you use the link in this video below and make money, guys. Are you ready for this? Now let's go. See you next time. My name is Calvin. I love you all. I love you. See you next time.